Hello, students. Namaste. Welcome back. The chapter we are in now is chapter 17, as you see on your screens. And the title for this chapter is Diwali Kab Hai? A question. I will repeat again. Diwali Kab Hai? Someone is asking, when is Diwali this year? Diwali is a festival, a major festival in India, also known as Festival of Lights and Prosperity. It falls between mid-October to mid-November. In fact, the date varies year to year because the date is decided according to the Hindu lunar calendar and not according to the Gregorian calendar. That's the reason. Now, Kab is when? A question word. We have already done a few. Let's revise them. क्यों, कैसा, कितना, क्या, कहाँ, किसका. Alright. Now, क्यों, क्या and कहाँ, these are invariable. They will not change according to the number and gender of the noun. कैसा, कितना, किसका will change. So they are variable. क्यों is why, कैसा is how, कितना is how much, and कितने is how many. Then kya is what, kahan is where, kiska is whose. Right? Now let's go to the lesson story and let's see who is asking this question and why. So the lesson story is our winning team has returned to school and the entire school greeted and congratulated them for their winnings. Entire school is happy. And our monthly school magazine team wants to interview them. Alright, so let's see how the interview goes. I will read these sentences and try to repeat after me, and then we will discuss the grammar, structure, and new words used in these sentences. The first one. आप लोग कब से खाना बना और गा रहे हैं? आप लोग, the team, the magazine team is asking, आप लोग कब से खाना बना और गा रहे हैं? हम 2 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं. हम 2 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं. आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? अगला मुकाबला कब है? अगला मुकाबला कब है? Again a question. और कब तक? और कब तक? Right? So these were the 5 sentences. Now let's discuss the grammar used in these sentences. So the first sentence is, आप लोग कब से खाना बना और गा रहे हैं? Alright? आप लोग कब से खाना बना और गा रहे हैं? बना और गा रहे हैं. आप लोग कब से खाना बना और गा रहे हैं? Now, this is a long sentence, so let's divide it into 2 parts. आप लोग कब से खाना बना रहे हैं? बना रहे हैं. First one with the verb banana and the second one with गाना. Now, if you remember, our school team has won 2 prizes, one in singing and the second one in cooking. So the magazine team is asking Kamal and Nisha because they were the two participants. So the team is asking Kamal, आप लोग कब से खाना बना रहे हैं? कब से is since when. Since when. If we use say with kab, from, say is also from, but here it is used as since. Alright, and there is also one kab tak, till when. Tak is also a postposition. Till. Alright. Now, आप लोग कब से खाना बना रहे हैं? Banana is to cook. The verb is banana. Khana is food. Present continuous. Translation is, how long have you been cooking or preparing food? Alright, similarly, how long have you been singing? Gana. Gana is to sing. Alright, now the structure has been and have been. In English, it is present perfect continuous. Here, the helping verb changes. Alright, but in Hindi, we just use time expressions. The sentence structure will remain same. For example, here we use kab se. We can also use time expression such as do saal se, do din se. Right? And the sentence will be in present continuous. Now, हम 2 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं. हम 2 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं. Both of them are answering. हम 2 साल से for 2 years. We have been preparing for 2 years. Saal and some will use saalon se. Both are correct. Right. हम 2 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं. तैयारी करना. तैयारी करना. To do preparations. Or to prepare oneself. And there is also one तैयार करना, to prepare, but here something else, not oneself. Alright, हम 2 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं. We have been preparing for 2 years. The third one is, आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? Let's see the third one. आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? आप लोग पढ़ते. Present simple sentence. Again a question. You guys. The verb here is padhna. A little difficult to pronounce. Padhna. Padhna. पढ़ना is to study or to read. When do you guys study, or when do you get time to study? All right. Usually, kab will be before the verb here, but here we have used kab after padhte. So the person saying this or asking this question wants to emphasize. He or she is saying, when do you study? Or the hidden sense is, when do you get time to study? That's why kab is used after the verb. आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? राइट. अगला मुकाबला कब है? अगला is next. मुकाबला is competition. We have already done this word. मुकाबला, competition. कब है? When is the next competition? और कब तक? और कब तक? And till when? This is the last question by the magazine team. अगला मुकाबला कब है? Next competition. When is the next competition? All right. आप लोग पढ़ते कब हैं? So these were the 5 sentences. Now let's discuss the exercise. All right. So in this exercise we have to replace se with tak in these sentences, and then we have to translate these phrases. All right. So let's do that. So now let's start with the first sentence. मैं यहाँ कल से हूँ. मैं यहाँ कल से हूँ, and let's replace से with तक. मैं यहाँ कल तक हूँ. मैं यहाँ कल से हूँ will be I have been here since yesterday. Right? And with tak it will be I'm here till tomorrow. All right. So that's the change they will bring. Se and tak. Kal is both tomorrow and yesterday. All right. Let's see the second one. तुम यहाँ कब से हो? तुम यहाँ कब से हो? And तुम यहाँ कब तक हो? तुम यहाँ कब से हो? तुम यहाँ कब तक हो? Since when are you here? The first sentence. And the second one is till when are you here? Simple. The third one. मैं यहाँ 2 हफ्ते से हूँ. मैं यहाँ 2 हफ्ते से हूँ. हफ्ते से हूँ. I have been here for 2 weeks. Hafta, a new word for you. Hafta. Hafta. Hafta is a week. Masculine noun ending with a. So in plural it will be hafte. Bacha, bacche. Ladka, ladke. Hafta, hafte. Weeks. Alright. I've been here for 2 weeks. Now you will also see 2 hafte se and 2 hafton se. Both are used in Hindi and both are correct. I have already told you earlier in the course that oblique form rules are flexible with time expressions. Alright? 2 हफ्ते से 2 हफ्तों से. मैं यहाँ 2 हफ्ते से हूँ. I have been here for 2 weeks. मैं यहाँ 2 हफ्ते तक हूँ. मैं यहाँ 2 हफ्ते तक हूँ. 2 हफ्ते तक हूँ. And tak will be I am here for 2 weeks. Alright? Now fourth sentence. वे आज रात से कोलकाता में हैं. वे, they. आज रात, tonight. आज रात से, since tonight, Kolkata is a city. And हैं, they are. They have been in Kolkata since tonight. वे आज रात तक. They are in Kolkata till tonight. Alright, so these were the 4 sentences. Now let's see next. In this exercise we have to make one sentence with each of these words. These nouns are masculine. Hafta, hafta is week. Ghanta is hour. Saal, year. Din, day. Mahina, month. Ravivar, Sunday. Somvar, Monday. Var is a Sanskrit word meaning day. Somvar, Ravivar, and of course the other days also we will learn later in this course. Hafta, Ghanta, Saal, Din, Mahina. So make one sentence with each of these words. I'll let you do it, okay? Now we have translation. You can check this explanation notes also. We have then agla next, and the opposite will be pichla. Pichla is last or previous. Agla next, pichla previous. All right. So that's all for this lesson. I will see you in the next.